Welcome back, dear student. Hope you understand till here the story. Now we start again. She always felt disgust with life and blamed everyone around the globe for her failure. Samita had a flair of music. She joined the school band and started playing the drum effectively. Now Samita has a fond of music and she joined the music drum effectively. She using to playing the drum. However, she often made mistake and was advised by the music teacher to practice at home. Her father purchased set of drums on her birthday. She started practicing with efforts and joy. Now Samita has found of music and he started to playing a drum. Her father gave a gift on her birthday, a drum. Now she do the practice at home. She started practicing with the efforts and joy. Unfortunately, a stumbling block rolled down in Samita's effort. Another obstacles come in the way of Samita. But obstacles make us very perfect. It's hard to beat a person that never give up. So again there was a hospital nearby and she told do not make so much noise in his vicinity because patients are there na they are not listening so loudly voice of drum. However, our undaunted child searched for alternatives and cycled for 5 kilometers on weekend to practicing in a club. Now she joined a club like a class and she cycled 5 kilometers for practicing that drum. Her efforts were rewarded. When she participated in a musical contest, she earned rewards. There, she earned so many rewards for herself and brought laurels at the school. To add a further to her cap, she was invited by the management of the club in various celebrations because she is playing so good drum. Na? That's why uh, member of the club always invite her many a celebration for that playing that drum. It was paid performance and she started earning at a tender age and they pay her some money for that also, and very small age she started to earning money. A lovable lady joined Samita's school. A very lovable lady joined Samita's school as a art teacher, and she told she is very affectionate towards student. She loved student to learn the art. So she advised Samita to improve their skills in art. A new task was Samita's plate. Now turn the next page. Now one more task that is not so easy for Samita, but every day she tried to draw something, but her piece of art lacked lacked perfection. The devil in her conscience always pricked her mind and instructed her that art is not child's play. She is not good artist. And the devil means one fear of defeated here to always come in the mind of Samita that you are not doing because drawing is not a child's play. The artist of her class made fun those students who are good in drawing. They made fun of her. That told her she lacked proportions. Her best friend told her to stop thinking that she could master art too. So, our undaunted heroines controlled her tears and did not allow her emotion to overpower her. So here she control herself because she is very patientful girl. She is not allowed to her emotions that the fear of I am not doing this, you are not able to do the drawing, you are not good here, overcome her. But she overcome herself. She joined an art school during vacation. What she do? She joined an art school during vacation for extra coaching. Her perseverance blessed her, and the students were dumbfounded when they observed her artist talent after the vacations. Samita was a confident girl by now, and she learned that looking for solution patiently could take her to the pinnacle of success in every field. She also became the basketball champion in later years. Though the basketball team scorned her, they pointed out that she was too short and should not try her hands on the game, which required to make baskets at all heights. So now she faced also one problem here, but she patiently overcome these problem also. She knew that patience, practice, regular exercise and perseverance were the key of success. What is the key of success? You underline this and learn it and make a chart of these things. Okay, these 2 3 lines you learn always. She remained engrossed in her task and made it a point to remove flaws and complete her task in the most systematic manner. So dear student, there is those student who don't be discouraged. It's often the last key in the bunch that opens the lock. Always remember, every problem has a solution, but you need to find the way and solve that problems. Which kind of way depend on you. Okay, 20 years hence, Samita is